What's up, guys? Alright, well, had a really good response from the Nordyne video last night, and you all have made it very clear that you want to see the condenser coil get cleaned. I appreciate that. It really feels good to know that you guys enjoy my videos and want to see more, so I really appreciate that, guys. It means the world to me. So you asked for it, so y'all are going to get it. We're headed that way, and we're going to clean that baby up. Alright guys, we're back at the Nordyne Frigidaire. You can see this beautiful install they have going on here. It's hanging off the pad, it's crooked. We're going to pull the disconnect, take the top off, take the louvers off, and clean this bad boy up. Alright guys, there it is. The louvers are off and it's mighty dirty. It's worse right here than anywhere else, but still pretty dirty all the way around. It's real bad back here too. So we're going to knock that heavy stuff off and then put some cleaner on it. Alright, we got the Ace root beer on there. Pulling some nasty stuff out. Got it on the inside. Let it sit for a minute, then we'll rinse it off. Put it back together and start it back up. Alright, that's much better. Should be able to breathe now. You can see where the Frigidaire logo goes. So we'll put the louvers back on, put the fan back on, and start it up. Alright guys, there it is. Fresh and clean. Back up and running. Should perform much better. I guess as good as a Nordyne can. Alright, well, thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all on the next one.